Today, I'm going to be showing you how to assemble the Valentina Hollywood makeup mirror as well as how to use it. Let's get started. This is what it looks like on the inside once you have removed the outer cardboard box. Inside, you will find a large piece of styrofoam which you can place on the floor so you can put your mirror on top without damaging your floor or your mirror. I recommend 2 people do this as the mirror is quite heavy. Inside the red bag, you will find 3 screws for the mirror and base, and these 8 pieces for mounting on your wall, and also an Allen key to screw the screws. This is how you should place the mirror on the styrofoam with the 3 holes facing up. Then lift the base up carefully so that the 3 holes align with each other. Use this screw to secure your base and mirror together. Place it in the hole and use the Allen key to screw it in. This is how all 3 screws should look like once you have screwed it in correctly. The mirror only needs 14 light bulbs, but we have provided an extra one for you. This is what it looks like inside the box. Now carefully screw the light bulb in place. Make sure not to screw it in too tight, otherwise the mirror will crack. To turn on and off the lights, just tap the blue button once. To adjust the brightness, press and hold the button and it will become dimmer. Release when at the desired brightness. Press and hold again to make it brighter. To connect your device to the mirror via Bluetooth, just press the Bluetooth button. A sound should come up and 1 BT. When you go to your Bluetooth in settings, you should find the name K3015C and you click on it to connect your device. To adjust the volume, press the vol button once and you will see the box around the little number blink. Then press the up and down arrow to adjust the volume. To change song, simply just wait for the box to stop blinking and just press the up or down arrow to switch songs. To disconnect your device to the mirror, simply press and hold the Bluetooth button for 3 seconds. To turn off the mirror display screen, simply press and hold for 4 seconds and it will turn off. And this is how the final product should look like.